Do you want to know how you can start a new project using Starry AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can start a new project using Starry AI. Go ahead and open Starry AI on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. On the left hand side of your screen, you can see projects. Click on it and then click here to create a project. Write down the title of the project and then click create project. You can see that the new project has been created. Go ahead and click on it, and now you can generate your own creation and you can start your project. You must also notice that it takes 2 credits to use this project and start it. So go ahead and write the prompt which you want, or you can click on this randomized prompt and then you can give the style which is over here, and then you can also write down your prompt, or you can just click on remove image, or you can remove what you don't want to see. So after doing this, click generate and then you can create your own project. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.